of K education. So let me give you some data for the future of K education. The next 7 years is going to be the years where we will inquire. 2014 in K education is going to be the world of inquire. And I'm saying this, we have created the 7 I's from 2014 to 2020 based on various inputs of people, research and the work that is being done of the world. In the next 7 years, how the world is going to go. अगले 7 साल में काफी businesses नहीं रहेंगे. अगले 7 साल में काफी courses नहीं रहेंगे. A lot of the courses which are there in the universities in the next 7 years, those courses may not be there. A lot of businesses which are in place in next 7 years, they will not be there. वो रहेंगे ही नहीं है. And a lot of products which are there alive, they will not be there by 2020. They will all be gone. 2014 we will begin to inquire on that. How the future will look. 2015 we will look at what innovative ways we can start looking at. नया innovation क्या कर सकते हैं. 2016 we invent. We begin to invent how 2020 will start looking like. 2020 दिखेगा कैसा. इसका निर्माण करने का शुरू करेंगे हम सब. 2017 we will influence. We will influence people. जब हम भविष्य निर्माण करते हैं, दुनिया को हम influence करेंगे. We will look at influencing the world. We will influence society. We will influence industry. We will influence economics. Because then the numbers, like if I were to tell you in 2017, when we influence, you would have done more than 10,000 people who got their UMI. And when you say 10,000 people who got their UMI, at least 6,000 businessmen. If you look at 6,000 businessmen that you got their UMI, you are talking of a net worth of people, even if you put them at 10 crores per person, which is a very low figure I'm saying, we are going to be a community of 60,000 crores net worth. And 60,000 crores net worth is like an organization which can influence the thoughts of people. Right? We 60,000 crores. And not because Victor is worth 60,000 crores or Vishwesh is worth 60,000 crores, but like we are going to be more than 60,000 crores as a community. That's what the work. Like who am I worth is going to be much more than 60,000 crores. That's what it's going to be at 2017. So 2018, we will inspire because people will wonder, अगर ये संभव हो सकते हैं दुनिया में, तो क्या संभव हो सकते हैं? We will lead and inspire people. When I say we, I'm talking about each of you sitting in your seats, me, all put together. All of us together will inspire the world to follow a certain path called as ये who am I कौन है? ये who am I क्या है? और हम सब लोगों को बोलेंगे कि आपका who am I ढूंढो. यहाँ मिलता है who am I. And that is what we are going to be getting those people to be inspired about. There is where, now everybody will never get here who am I. But we will involve this world of UMI with the world external. That is what we will bring together. And in 2020, we will integrate this whole world. Integrate the whole world. The whole world will come together. Because by that time, you will have at least 2,500-3,000 leaders. 2,500-3,000 people leading the education programs across the world. That's going to be extraordinary. Right? Now, this is the kind of idea that I want to give it to you, right? Where we are going. So now we are going to do an exercise. We are going to do an exercise where आप सबके पास वो K-World का एक बुकलेट दिया गया था आपको. उसके पहले पेज में अगर आप देखेंगे, पहले पेज अगर आप खोलेंगे और पहले पेज में 2 सवाल लिखे, आपको आपका नाम, नंबर वो सब लिखना है. So can you have the lights of the auditorium? Deepak, can we have the lights of the auditorium?
Yeah. Lights.
Or let there be enough lights so that people can see.
Yeah.
Everybody's got a pen to write. सबके पास पेन है लिखने के लिए, किसी के पास पेन नहीं है लिखने के लिए तो हाथ ऊपर कीजिए. अगर आपके पास पेन नहीं है लिखने के लिए तो हाथ ऊपर कर दीजिए और आप इतने देर तक ऊपर रखिए तब तक पेन आपके पास नहीं पहुंचे. तो आपको पेन मिल जाएगा. हम आपसे वो शीट ले लेंगे. हाँ, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस एक्सरसाइज. डोंट इवन बॉदर, उसको गिरने दो, वो उठ जाएगी. ठीक है, आप क्यों बॉदर होते हैं? इसको कुछ लगा नहीं, मैं हूं ना. ठीक है, तुम्हें चिंता मत करो, वो गिरने के बाद उठ जाएंगे. हम लोग उन लोग को उठाते उठाते अपाइज कर देते. Okay, great. Surprising. I'm the one who's speaking. I'm not disturbed with the children. Everybody else is listening to me is disturbed with the children. Right? Don't worry. Right? Great. Now we're going to ask you 3 questions. The first question, Everybody written their